Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you're back. I'm here with this big influencer kit that the team over at Moose Toys and Mr. Beast Lab sent me for free. I don't make any commission on anything. I'm just doing it for review. They were kind enough to send it to me. If you can see her, that's Lucy. She probably will be pacing back and forth the entire video. Anyway, I opened this already. I'm not gonna lie. It was just I did some video footage for TikTok, but I figured I wanted to show you here because there's a lot of stuff going on, and this is really cool. So this is a new venture for Mr. Beast. You know, he's in his hands and got everything going on. These have been out for a little bit of time. They sent me this kit, I'm not gonna lie, a while back, but I just have not really had the proper time to do it. And it's the 21st. I figure, you know what? It's a few days before the holidays. If people need any last minute gift ideas, maybe it would be helpful to see me open this. But here it is. It's very large, but we got two of these mix and match Mr. Beast Lab hybrids. This one is a kit that has 5 mix and match figures in it. That one retails for $39.99. You get 5 figures, and you can like swap their body parts out, all of that good stuff. This one is the 2-pack. So this one, you get 2 figures. You can remove their limbs, their head, create whatever you want within the Beast, within the Beast Lab. Okay, so I already opened one, and I'll show it to you at the end because I don't want to spoil what it was. But this one here, the 2-pack, from what I could understand, it's very similar to the single pack, which the single pack runs $9.99. Really good for an action figure. So this one here, the difference is with the whole opening experience, it says on here that you can experiment to reveal your beast. And I don't know if you can see that, but it shows that you can pour some water in there or something, which I'm interested to do that. It says pour, swirl, reveal. Experiment to reveal your beast with this mega pack. I don't believe these ones do that. It doesn't say anything about that on there. So the 1 and the 2-pack. So we're going to check this out and see what's going on. And when I opened the first one, what I really liked about it was that I had no prior like experience with this particular line of toys, because I don't really buy a lot of action figures anymore. If you're new to my content, I am a big toy enthusiast, collector. I do dolls, toys, a lot of different types of toys. I do have some action figures, but these I really liked. And what's cool when you're unpackaging this out of this flask here, oh well, that didn't go as planned because it's stuck, but the other one worked really well. Comes out like this. Okay, so, and in there is the collector guide. Now, because I already opened the first one, I already kind of know there are different ways to collect. You can pull out a common, rare, and ultra rare. You can do limited edition, premium edition, and then they also have their type of like material they're made out of. So there's like toxic, rock, plant, hyper energy, and as you open them, it's each one of these is a piece for the figure. So we're gonna start opening this because we got 2 figures. Let's check it out. First one is this dinosaur looking head and this claw arm, which is really cool looking. The thing that I noticed about these is the detail of the sculpting of these is really, really cool. This is so reminiscent of like, I feel like 90s action figures. So we got another arm, and then we got the chest piece. So we just need the legs for this first figure, which here they are. Look how cool those are. This is like a bony skeleton dinosaur. So the way that it works is you just take the pieces, they snap on really easily. They have great articulation. This one bends at the knee. The chest piece moves as well. Got an arm. We got the second arm. And then we got the head. So with these guys too, because you can mix and match them, there's a button that's on the back that you press and it will remove their pop off the head, and then the arms, you can easily take them apart. So that way your next figure that you open, or like as you collect them and get more, you can move all of the pieces around. So, oh, and I think I put his arms on wrong. His arms are bending the other way. So we're gonna go ahead and swap them. But see how easy it is? These are so cool. And again, these are by Moose Toys in partnership with Mr. Beast company. So these are Mr. Beast Lab hybrids. Okay, let's move on to the second figure. Oh wait, I didn't check. Okay, so what I got was, this one is called Tyranniclaw. This one is made of bone, obviously, and this is a rare. So this is like the second step up to like a common. So it goes common, rare, ultra rare, limited edition, premium edition. So we'll see. Maybe I'll get a premium edition in here somewhere. All right, next kit, or next kit of pieces. I'm noticing the first bag always has the head and an arm. This one is so cool. This is like a robot head, and he's got these little red, like kind of lightning bolts coming out of his head. And this is the arm. It looks like it's like almost like a blade also attached to the arm. There's also, I didn't check it out yet, but apparently there's like some sort of trailer. On the media box, he's illustrated like a comic book character, Mr. Beast, and it says on there to like scan the QR code for the trailer, which I did not do yet. There's the second arm. There's the chest piece. And let's check out the legs. I'm wondering what's in this, because they said that there's only 2 figures. So I wonder why there's an extra bag. All right, there are the legs. He's got these kind of like all-terrain, almost like these like tank legs. Okay. So let's check it out. Here is the chest. Oh wait, did I put it on wrong? Oh, it goes this way. And then the head. And then I don't know which arm goes where. How do they bend? Oh, they bend this way. So then I'm guessing it's this way. There we go. There. There he is in all his glory. Let's check out what this guy's name is. This guy is, where's he at? Okay. This one is called Beastbot. And this one is an ultra rare. And he is a tech beast. Okay, let's check out what is in this last one. So this last one, all it has on there, it's like a picture of a beast with a question mark. But on this, it said it's mix and match 2 action figures inside. So I'm curious as to why there's another one. Let's see what's up. Oh, all right, that's cool. So they also give you just some extra pieces. So you can, I guess, just make a third figure if you want to. There's 2 legs, and then, or I mean the legs, and then there's 2 arms. So, oh yeah, okay, it says it on here. It says plus golden dragon pieces inside, and then this one is glow in the dark, and all the pieces glow in the dark. So these, if you want to just swap them out and make a different action figure, you can. So like, let's put on one of his arms. I keep hitting the button on the back, which is, it's good to know that they come apart easily by pressing that button. So there he is. The detail on these is great. All right. Now we got to find out about this, because I'm curious about what this means, about this fill it with water thing. So I'm going to check out what the deal is with that. All right, let's see what's happening with the Mr. Beast Lab Hybrid 5 pack. Again, it says experiment to reveal your beast. So I don't really get that, because don't I have to open it first? Well, let's see if there's any instructions. Okay, so let's do the big reveal. When we pull this out, it should be a lot of pieces. All right, yes, 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 yes. Much better than the last one. Oh, heck yeah. Okay. Now, my adult senses are telling me maybe there's instructions inside. Maybe I should look at them first. So let's see. Important, color reveal. Conduct entire reveal process over a protected surface. Place hand covering lid holes while swirling the water inside the vessel. Pour out the remaining water directly over a sink. Any spills should be wiped immediately. So, okay. It uses a wash-off paint, which may stain some fabric and surfaces. Thank you for the warning. All right, so in our pack, again, we've got our collector guide. We have the, even more visual directions. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the pieces out of the packs, throw the pieces into the flask, pour the water in, shake it up for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna pour it out to reveal the color of these figures. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna cut this off so we can do the whole shake test and see what it gives. Okay, I remembered something I mentioned earlier in the video about showing you the figure I got from the single pack. This was the figure. It's really cool. It's kind of like this, I don't know, hybrid of like a crab and a, I don't even know, but it has like tentacles. There's the face. So that was from my single pack. I got my water here. So I'm gonna open these pieces. Now, this could take a while, so I might just do this off camera and then show you the pieces. First piece out, oh, I like this guy a lot. It's weird, it's kind of like a Cyclops, but he's got like another attachment on his head. And he's got this green, spiky arm. And because remember, there's going to be 5 in here. Okay, this is, oh, so he's like a cactus. I love that. That's cool. And then this is his body. I'm wondering what exactly these are going to look like once they're in the water, because what part of these are going to change? These are his legs. So I wonder if I'm supposed to fully put them together first. No, it says in the picture, it shows you just throw all of their pieces in there, which is what I will be doing. All right, toss that and check out who's next. Okay, this guy looks kind of like a rhino with a pink lightning bolt eye, but he's got this like icy, rocky texture. We'll look at which ones I got after we do all of them like with the water, and then I'll put them all together. Okay, that's his chest, and then his other arm. These are really cool. These are nicely made. They feel like really high quality. These are his legs. And I don't know how to say, like, how to express it, but I really like their proportions. Like, they're not too large. They're also not heavy, and they're really light, but they're made really well. Oh, this guy is so cool. All of the designs of these are really nice. This is like a bat, and he's got a green mohawk. And then look at his arm. He's got this really cool wing with these claws. So let's just open this one, and then I'm gonna turn the camera off and open the other ones, and then I'll just show you what I got. Okay, this is the chest, and then this is the other arm with the other wing. All right, so I'm gonna open these separately. All right, so I figured it out. So after opening, which by the way, this was the other one that I opened here. I'm going to show them at the end. When you get to the last pack, the mystery one has the little mystery mark on it, a little question mark. That's the one that comes with fully painted. So it's got, it's covered in this purple kind of paint stuff. I don't know what it is. So what I'm going to do is follow the directions. So I got my water here, and we don't need to fill it that much. I think there's like a fill line, which actually this was perfect. I did get a towel just in case. Now it says to drop these in, all these guys, and put the cap on, but you got to put your hand over this because you can see through this, because that's how you're going to pour the water out. Now, let me you can already kind of see. I don't know if you can see, but look. All that paint, all that purple stuff, all the goo is coming off. It's dyeing the water purple. You know what I'm going to do, actually? I'm going to pour this back into my little pitcher. Okay. Well, it says 30 seconds. I feel like that's probably good. We will see. It's definitely in there soaking. Okay. It's getting very frothy. All right, I'm going to get a paper towel because I don't want to dye my other towel if I don't need to. All right, here we go. The attempt. Let's check it out. I'm going to take this. Put these down. And see what is going on with this. This is so weird. It's cool though. Whoa. I mean, it's definitely purple. It's like frothy, gooey. All right. Look at that. It kind of looks tasty. Don't taste it. Don't taste it. I don't think you're supposed to. Okay. Let's check it out. Check out these pieces and see. Oh, I can see them already. There they are. Okay. Get them all wiped down. Oh, nice. These are so cool. I was not expecting them to look like this. But these have some really cool, bright colors. Wow. Okay. There's the body. Oh, and I looked at my last video. Sorry, it wasn't focusing. I don't know if it's helpful for me to do that, but that's really cool. All right. We've got the two arms. Oh, there's another, like an axe arm. And then this radioactive gooey arm. And then I'm going to hold this up. Hopefully you'll be able to see it. But this is the face. Looks like it's kind of some saber-toothed tiger almost. All right, now let's check out from this list what I got. So I got this guy here. This one is Wildfire. Let me put his arms on. Oops. I keep pressing the button so that it makes their head pop off. Okay. There's Wildfire. And Wildfire is a common, I think. Oh, is a rare. And obviously, he's made out of fire. All right. Then we're going to do this like icy guy. Let's see what's going on with this guy. And this was the one that it kind of looked like a rhino. See, as I was opening these all, that's what I was saying was that I'm like, I don't understand how these colors are supposed to change. Because, I mean, they looked pretty permanent, you know? But now this makes more sense. All right, there he is. Hopefully you can see him. I'm not filming with my back camera, so I can't really see. But this guy, Iceberg Rockhide. And then this one is also a rare, and he's made out of ice. Obvi. Okay. The next guy was this bat-looking dude. And he looks really good. And I love these wing arms. So there he is. He looks real stank. Hopefully you can see him. Oop. And this guy with his green mohawk. This guy. Wait, where's he at? Oh, his name is Echo Wing or Echo Wing. And he is another rare. And this one, which might be my favorite, the cactus guy, the cactus beast. This one I really like a lot. And I love his head. He's got like two cactuses growing out oh, like a cactus growing out of his head. Hopefully you can see. But he's like kind of spiky, and then look at it. He's got the like flower on the top, and then these also move and bend. His arms. See, they have a lot of articulation for a small figure, and they're really easy to move. They feel really good. Okay, this one by far, so far, is my favorite, and his name is Toxic Spike and Sprout. And then he is another rare, and he is a, oh, I'm sorry, he is a common. He is a common. Uh, Echo Wing was a common. I was looking at the wrong thing. And also, Wildfire is also a common. This guy from my single pack, the pink one, that one is this guy is an ultra rare. That one was called Tentalock. And then we've got the what's the dude's name? Iceberg Rockhide. He was a common. Now, this guy, the reveal one, I think this is like the actual Hyperbeast, it says. Oh yeah, because he's got like multiple arms. So let me put them together so you can see. And then Hyperbeast is an ultra rare. So let's see how this goes. I'm gonna look at the picture so I get it right. Okay. So this goes up on this side. These are cool. I'm already doing it wrong. His oh, this one goes up here. Okay. We got one. We got this one. What the heck? I feel like the fact that I'm doing this, it's like it's making me feel like dyslexic. Like I can't understand which way I'm going with this. Okay, let me try it this way. I'm like, wait a minute. What am I doing wrong? It also, it doesn't help that the like the pieces aren't they're not like bent the actual like the right way, because they're just, you know, they're whatever pack how they're packaged. There we go. I figured his arm out. And then this other one, see, I gotta bend this down. And then this goes on the top. There we go. And then there's his head. Okay. I think I keep pressing the button so his head keeps popping off. There he is. I think there's some goo stuck. There we go. I got it. But that's the Hyperbeast. That was the big reveal one. He's got more arms. He's got more pieces than the other ones that were opened. Well, I definitely would recommend these for sure. Like these are so cool. And again, like for the price point, you get, if you do the largest one, you get for $40, you get 5. And so basically you're saving $10 because a single pack is $9.99, and then the 2-pack is the 20. The other two don't have the mystery reveal. So if you also want that like mystery reveal option, I would do the largest one. Plus, like, you'd have more to play with anyway, because like the more pieces you have, the more beasts you can make. So it's kind of makes sense to get maybe the largest one, or at least a 2-pack, just so there's more pieces to play with. But I really enjoyed opening these. Again, like I got these for free from Moose Toys and Mr. Beast Lab. I am not receiving any commission. I wasn't paid. It was just they sent them to me. They asked me if I would like them, and I was like, yeah, let me check them out, because I didn't know anything about them. So I think you can pretty much get them almost everywhere. I've seen them, I think, at Walmart and Target. So you can check them out there. I'm sure they probably have them on Amazon. And yeah, thanks for watching.